guys, kembali lagi di channel saya Vince Play. Kali ini kita akan melanjutkan nih gameplay kita dalam bermain game The Walking Dead season keempat ya, final season. Sebelumnya kita memilih untuk membantu Louis dan Asim ya dalam berburu. Dan kita diberi pilihan nih antara membantu Louis atau membantu Asim. Jadi pilihanku adalah membantu Asim ya, karena tujuan kita kesini adalah berburu dan sebenarnya aku membantu Asim. Karena aku tahu karena ada Louis, Asim gak bakalan bisa nih, yakin banget.
Come to hunt? I hear something rustling around in here.
I'm here to help.
Let me help you out.
Kita
Thanks
bantu
for taking this
guys.
shit seriously. I'll never understand that idiot.
Kita harus sekali-sekali serius. Kita perlu makanan. Kita
You a
perlu
good
food.
shot?
Yeah.
Good. I'll chase him out of the bush. You shoot.
Beneran, Clem?
Last time I was out here, it looked like one of the rabbits had some babies. I'm not sure how many are still around, so careful where you shoot. Aim for the parents.
Pencet apa ya guys?
Yeah,
Yeah.
don't worry about it. Better to save our
Aku udah
arrows
pencet loh
anyway.
guys.
I saw some others run this way.
Kok nggak ketembak ya? Loh. Gak kena guys. Salah. Ternyata pencet itu.
Yeah, don't worry about it. Better to save our arrows anyway.
Oke.
Clem! Clem, come here!
Ya jelek banget guys. Maaf ya. Gak dapat
Look,
makanan nih
I got
kita.
one. It's a baby.
Well, all meat is good meat.
It's not enough. Release it. Let it get bigger.
I'm hungry.
So am I. But we'll be even hungrier tomorrow if we don't let him go.
Tomorrow doesn't exist, dingus. There's just today. And today I'm hungry. We're hungry.
Gak boleh sih. Kita harus lepasin nih guys.
Are you gonna do it?
Let it
I
go.
can't watch.
Bye, Bunny.
Really? What are we supposed to eat tonight then? Ah, I get it. I wouldn't want to kill a baby bunny either.
He'll thank me in a few months.
If we live that long. All right. Well, the snares have all been reset and are ready to trap things. We good to go now or what?
I guess this is it. Hopefully next time there are more targets. And maybe some sharper aiming.
Yeah,
Ya,
sorry.
maaf guys.
I'll take this back. You two should meet up with Brody and Violet and see if they've managed to snag any fish. This isn't gonna be enough for the whole school.
I like fish.
That's great. See ya.
Ya
Follow
maaf.
me. The girls are probably near the shack.
Maaf ya Asim.
Do you like fish?
Aimku busuk
I
banget
once
nih.
ate a whole shark.
No, you didn't.
Panjang juga ya untuk satu episode di The Walking Dead final
Where's Vi
season
and
ini.
Brody?
They
Kalau
should
kita
be here
lihat di
by
episode
now.
di season lalu,
Clem,
lam-
look.
bentar banget, nggak nyampai ya mungkin segini ya, sekitar segini sih sebenarnya.
Monster.
Vi wouldn't have just left this out in the open. Wait, isn't that one of our spears?
Wah, apa guys yang terjadi guys?
Clem, lock's busted. We might not be alone.
Wah,
Stand back.
kita cek.
Holy shit! This place is wrecked. All
Wah.
our supplies are gone.
Wah, supply kita
I'll take a
hilang.
look around outside. Hold tight.
Are we in danger? Maybe.
Wah, ada orang yang stealing guys, yang mencuri barang kita.
Cigarette. Hand rolled. Is this a Bible page?
Clementine?
What the hell happened in here? Do any of the kids smoke?
Nope, nothing to smoke.
No sign of our thief.
Wah, kenapa itu guys?
Oh shit. We just walked a mile of river and the traps were all empty. No fish. None.
Someone robbed us?
Oh, great. And now we're gonna starve.
Fuck, that's... Fuck. Fuck.
Kenapa?
It's just... Fuck, it's okay. It's...
Whoa.
Breathe, Brody, come on. Come on.
Kenapa Brody?
You're gonna be fine.
Fuck. Take
Just
a
take-
second. Breathe in deep and hold it. Just shut the fuck up, okay? Excuse me? I
Loh,
have to
kita-
tell
kita-
Marlon about
kita-
this.
We
Kita
still
cuma
need
mau
food,
bantu
you
loh.
know, to live. We definitely don't have enough here.
You guys figure it out.
Kenapa
What do we
guys?
do?
Mencurigakan
Eat
nih, mencurigakan
You
nih.
can't eat rocks.
I'm aware.
Will Marlon kick us out if we don't find food? Well, let's not find out.
Where else could we look?
Let me think.
Jangan
The
bilang.
train station. It's not too far from here.
I don't know, that's pretty far outside our perimeter.
There was food in there when AJ and I passed through. It's worth a look.
You sure there was food?
Positive. Yeah, some of it was destroyed in the explosion, but there has to be something left. There was so much there.
Wah, gimana dong? Gimana
Alright,
dong?
fine. Lead the way.
Wah, mereka mau guys katanya. Ada orang guys yang nyuri persediaan kita. Kita harus hati-hati loh.
There. That's where the food is. A lot more walkers than last time, though.
Ya, banyak banget guys walkersnya.
We're gonna die.
Let's either die here or die from hunger. Take your pick. Clem, maybe you should scope things out. You know the place better.
Let me get a closer look. Can't be too careful.
Harus pelan-pelan guys.
We barely got out of here. It was close.
Sounds scary.
There's a reason. Could climb up there.
Kita bisa manjat
Get
ya.
us inside.
Terus
Need to get in there somehow. Maybe there's another way in. I used that bell to attract a walker before. Could try it again.
They do like to follow sound.
You look like you've got an idea.
The noise from that bell could draw a lot of walkers. If one of us climbs up there and starts ringing it. Lewis. I vote Lewis.
Hold on. I'd like to make an alternate suggestion.
kenapa?
Come on, Lou. You're
Uh,
loud, dramatic, a little annoying. You're basically a walking distraction.
I think you mean charming and theatrical.
I'll support
Entertaining is
Luis.
another word that comes to mind.
I think she pretty much sums it up.
Ouch. All right. I see how it is.
I'll go with you. Give you some cover.
Fine. I'll do it. But if I die, I'm making sure Walker Lewis eats both of you first. I'll distract him until I see you guys reach safe cover. Then, I'll try to redirect the smelly patrol to give you guys a chance to sprint inside the building.
Ngomong
When we get
terus
into
dia.
position, I'll signal you. Then you can do your thing.
Good luck! Hey, ugly! No, not you. Not you either. Can't. Fine, make you some...
Ayo, pelan. Nice.
You have no nose. There's a rotten hole in your face. All right, someone get this job. Ready? Nobody?
Nice pilot.
So far, not dead.
Really?
So far. I'll let Lewis know when we're ready.
No, it's not. It's Jingle Bell. How about this one?
Ayo Luis, pancing lagi. Ih, nunduk pelan.
What is he waiting for? Come on, come on. Fucking listen.
Just give him a second.
We may not have a second.
Oh no. Guys. Hampir aja loh. Untung aja loh si Lewis.
I'll watch the door for walkers. Okay, AJ and I will sneak in, grab the food, and get out.
Sounds good. Let's make it quick.
Wah, ada walkers guys. Hampir aja. Kok bisa-bisanya ada walkers di situ?
Yes, these will be perfect.
Clem, look.
Wah, ada lentera.
Try it out, see if it works.
Ya,
Gonna
hancur
need your help
guys.
on this one, kiddo.
Makanannya.
You still got your gun?
Just in case.
Just in case.
Masih ada nggak ya makanannya? Walkers di mana-mana guys.
Good job, AJ. Is there more?
Wah, masih ada lagi guys katanya.
Keep it coming.
Nice. Kita dapat makanan guys. Kita dapat makan banyak makanan nih, bisa nih kita bertahan hidup nih lumayan lama.
Stand.
Wah,
Slowly.
siapa itu?
Don't yell.
Kok tiba-tiba
Don't
dia
try
ada di sini?
anything. I won't hurt you. I don't have to.
Who are you?
Who are you?
The name's Abel, and I'm hungry as hell.
Abel ya.
You and your friends made a lot of noise out there. Wasn't hard to follow. You live close by? You knew about this place already, and organized some effort to get inside. So you probably also knew the stash was there.
Dia ngerokok guys.
I've seen those
Jangan-jangan.
cigarettes before.
Benar kan?
You messed up our traps, didn't you?
Guilty as charged. But it was an honest mistake. I can be a real butterfinger sometimes.
Ya, persediaan kita.
You look a little young to be out on your own. You got a group? Count you plus the two outside, I'm thinking maybe more?
Tell me
about
about
your
your
group
group
first.
first.
I miss the days when we were all so goddamn cagey. It's just me and my ugly face out here. Lonely, ugly, and hungry. Now,
Mencurigakan ya
I'm
guys.
gonna fill this pack real slow.
We worked hard to get this stuff.
Well, hey there, Squirt. Playing hide
Guys,
and seek, are we? Now that's impolite.
ya
Don't steal from us.
I'm not stealing. This isn't yours.
I can kill you, you know.
Come on, kid. I'm faster than you. Listen up, Squirt. You're gonna quit pointing that gun at me and let me go my Mary.
wah,
You understand?
attack.
AJ, get down! What the
Kita harus
fuck?
pergi, kita harus pergi.
Just take a bag and
Kita
fill
harus
it
pergi.
up.
Ya guys, gimana dong? Ya, nyangkut. Baik.
What happened in there?
Just move! I'll tell you on the way.
Wah, untung aja kita selamat guys.
You are not listening to me. Marlon, listen to me. I am telling you, the place was ransacked.
It's fine. We'll deal with it.
Kenapa itu? Kayak kenapa ya?
Took y'all a while.
How poor are they that have not patience?
Asim! Mitch! Check it out! Food!
That's like a lot of food.
Observant as ever, Mitch.
I can't believe this. Look at it.
Lihat.
You're our savior, Clem.
Like, seriously, it's a lot.
Lewis and Violet helped too.
Neither
Benar.
of them ever brought back this much before.
Neither have you.
Ya
Where did you
guys,
find all
gimana dong?
this?
The old train station. Clem knew where it was.
Train station, that's outside the safe zone.
We'd have even more, but we ran into the creep that fucked up our fish traps.
Creep? What creep?
Clem saw him smoking those nasty-ass Bible cigarettes.
He had weird, different colored eyes.
Wah, kenapa dia guys? Dia kayak panik gitu.
Did he follow you? Nope. I shoved him into a pack of walkers. They took a chunk out of him.
It was awesome.
Look, I don't know if he got out of there, but if he did, he won't make it for long. You attacked him? What the fuck? If he survived, you know he's coming back for revenge. What the hell were you thinking? This is fucked. How could you
He
be
had
so
a gun.
stupid? If I hadn't done what I did, he would have shot us. I made the right call. Bullshit! What if there are others? You don't know what people are capable of out there. Think again.
Benar.
I just can't. I won't.
Kenapa ya
Just-
sih?
Not again. Fuck!
What the hell's going on here?
She took them outside the safe zone. They saw someone. You know what that means!
Enough! Just means there's a hungry guy out there looking for food. It's happened before. You are overreacting.
Kenapa nih guys?
You
Mereka
can't be serious!
Come on, let's
Mereka
go
kayak
somewhere and talk
menyem-
about this.
mereka tuh kayak menyembunyikan. Wah,
If anything happens, I'm holding you responsible.
wah. Guys,
Clem, I know I asked you for help. You did. You did. But... shit. God. Nothing's easy.
Sorry.
Sorry I went outside the safe zone. I didn't see any other option.
Yeah, I know. It's just hard keeping this together.
mereka kayak menyembunyikan sesuatu guys
Well.
dari kita.
At least we're eating tonight. For the next few, I'd wager.
Kayaknya mereka kenal dah sama orang yang kita
I'll go talk to
dorong
Ruby.
tadi.
Thanks for the haul, Clem. You guys should go enjoy it. You've earned it. Don't sweat it, Clem.
Ever since we lost Sophie and Minnie, Brody's been freaked out by anything that happens past the safe zone. She'll be alright eventually.
Still, we should make sure this is a one-time thing. We can take Rosie out in the morning, see if she catches a scent. You know, just in case.
I'm gonna go clean up.
Ya,
I think I'll go too. See you later.
Don't worry about them.
asli guys.
They're just sad.
Sad.
Mereka tuh kayak
Why?
menyembunyikan sesuatu loh dari kita. Kayaknya
My
mereka kenal
sisters
dengan
died
orang yang
around
kita
this
dorong tadi.
time last year.
Kenapa ya tuh mereka?
I think it's
Kayaknya
starting
mereka
to get
takut gitu dengan orang yang kita dorong.
Doesn't it get to you?
Not really. Dying's not scary. I mean, it's sad, but not scary.
Being a walker is a lot worse than being dead.
How do you know? Maybe being a walker is really nice.
I doubt it.
Me too. But it's not like you can go ask one. I try not to focus on them being gone. I like picturing where they'd be now, instead. Sophie was awesome at making stuff. She'd build a place big enough for all of us to live. And paint it too. And Minnie'd be playing whatever new song she wrote. I guess death doesn't scare me because I know I have something waiting on the other side. Someplace safe and happy. All of us together.
Bad
Unless
people don't wind up there.
I don't know. They might let in a few. And Minnie and Sophie always like the bad guys in stories.
Who are those guys?
The walkers who killed them,
You want them there too?
they weren't always walkers. Wherever this place is, everyone gets to be a person again. Sometimes I draw the walkers the way they probably look.
walkers juga dulunya kan manusia.
Sometimes I draw Minnie and Sophie the way they probably left them. But sometimes I draw this too.
Can I be there?
Sure. You want to be there too? I promise I'll draw you well. You just gotta hold still.
Sure, why not?
Ya, sebenarnya nggak mau ya guys, cuma biar dia senang aja,
I
kita
almost forgot.
nggak perlu, nggak usah bikin dia sakit hati guys, nggak boleh.
Here you go.
Nanti
It's
kalau kita
yours.
nolak dia kecewa.
It's ours.
Wah,
It's getting late.
Yeah, you guys should get some sleep.
Aren't you coming?
Not yet. I want to finish this first.
oke.
Night.
See you tomorrow.
Dia katanya mau menyelesaikan gambarnya dulu guys. Nah, kita kembali ke kamar kita nih. 201.
Stand back.
Wah, dia ngeliat kita tadi guys. Itu juga dia.
Time for bed, little guy.
Can I stay up?
Nope.
2 more minutes.
Tell you what, you lay down, and then we'll see. You full from dinner?
Yeah, it was good.
Yeah, it was.
I like it here.
Dia suka katanya di sini guys.
We gotta go hunting. And there were so many rabbits to shoot. Whoosh. It's nice not driving everywhere or running away. But the ranch was nice too. Before the blood.
This isn't the ranch.
Ranch? Tempat apa itu guys, ranch?
Do you like it? I like it. Now that I'm used to it. There's games and the walls make it feel safe.
For now
It's
ya.
good, for now. But places change, so do people. It might not stay good.
Benar.
Don't worry, we're not leaving. There, you gotta stay up 2 minutes more. Time for sleep.
I'll lay down when you blow out the light.
All right, give me a minute.
You can now place look at
So
backpack.
used to lugging this everywhere.
Kita cek guys
Never
backpack
knowing
kita.
when we'd find any supplies.
Apakah ada
Feel
something?
a lot lighter.
Enggak ya. Kita nggak lihat ya ternyata. Kita nggak cek maksudnya. Kita cuma lihat doang.
There,
Oh,
That's a
kita
good
bisa
drawing.
pasang lagi.
He's a good artist.
your picture's good too.
Oh, I know.
Di AJ guys. Kenapa nih? Look at AJ
So
drawing
cute.
for claim. AJ udah mulai bisa belajar membaca ya. Dia udah juga bisa nulis. Cuma itu doang kah yang bisa kita lakukan? Apakah cuma itu saja yang bisa kita lakukan? Sepertinya ya. Kita udah bisa matikan go to sleep. Sudah waktunya kita tidur.
Good night, sleep tight, don't let a walker bite. And if they try,
I never let him bite.
come on, play it right. One time.
Bang!
Good work. And thanks.
Tidur kita guys, tidur. Ah, ada suara guys.
What's that?
Ada suara orang guys. Wah, jangan bilang orang yang tadi. Nggak mungkin kan?
What the hell?
There's
Wah.
voices in the pipes.
Dari
I
pipa
think
guys.
someone's in trouble.
Is it us?
No, not right now. But we should help them.
If it's a monster, we should kill it.
I don't think it is. You got your gun.
Uh-huh.
I'll be right back.
Bahaya nih guys.
Stay safe.
Wah guys, kita bisa dengar ya ada suara-suara yang tidak mengenakan nih di telinga kita, yang berasal dari pipa-pipa ini ya. Berarti kita harus mengikuti pipa-pipa ini dan mencari tahu asal-usul suaranya. Tapi karena video kita sudah hampir 30 menit ya, maka sampai di sini saja dulu episode kita kali ini guys, dan sampai jumpa guys di next episode. Bye guys.